Hello, I'm Melissa, and you've just popped into Life's a Journey with Melissa Diane. And the journey that we're on today is creating a wonderful centerpiece for your kitchen island for fall. We're going to start with our silver two-tiered tray. And what I love about this is you can put all your decorations in the top of this. And then the bottom, you can put all your spices and different things that you like to use all the time in the kitchen right here. And it's easy to get to. Now for this piece right here, the only thing I wasn't sure about was that the feet were metal and I didn't want to scratch anything. So I put a little bit of felt on the bottom. And then I took my favorite Lazy Susan and I used that as the base. So that way, once I get all finished, I'll be able to twirl around. You can see all sides of it, and you can also get to all of your spices in the bottom. So we're going to start with our little bowl here full of decorations, and all of these items you can just pick up real quickly at Hobby Lobby. And there's some little leaves right here. I just cut a small piece to fit in the top. Then I took a saying. I love sayings. I put them all over the house. So I took one little saying here for fall, put it in the front, put a little pine cone behind it to kind of prop it up. And then as you're going around, just fill it in. I'm going to fill it in with a couple of big pumpkins. Here we go. I'm going to swirl it on around so you can see. A couple of more pine cones in the back. And then you're going to have some little areas that need to have some fill. So these little pumpkins like this, I lost a pumpkin. These little pumpkins right here are all shiny and glittery. I love to glam up my pumpkins. So put a few little pumpkins in the top. Let's see, a couple here on the side so you can see it when you twirl it around. And there you go. You got all your little pumpkins. And there's the top of it. So now we're going to finish out the bottom. So just take some of your favorite items that you use every day, all day long. You got your salt and your pepper, maybe some garlic powder, some lemon pepper. I use honey on just about everything, so I got some honey. Then we're in Texas, so we love our Cholula sauce. So we got a little Cholula sauce in here, a little bit of oil, and just a few other little goodies. And there we go. We've got our fall little centerpiece for our island. It's easy to get to for anything you need. Well, I hope this helped give you some ideas for something that you could do for your island in your kitchen. And remember, life is short, so live it and love it and have a great day. Bye-bye.